When online merchants evaluate fraud detection solutions, two standout platforms are Stripe Radar and Sift. Both use advanced machine learning and global data networks, but they cater to slightly different business types and workflows. The right choice comes down to how deeply you embed payments, your volume and growth expectations, and how much flexibility your team needs. Stripe Radar is built directly into the payments stack of Stripe, making it an appealing choice for merchants already using Stripe for checkout and billing. Because it's tightly integrated, there's minimal setup. You get risk scoring on each transaction, automatic blocking of high-risk payments, and the ability to set custom rules or require additional authentication like 3D Secure. The advantage is that if your business is payment-centric and you want fraud prevention bundled with your payment processor, Radar gives strong, out-of-the-box support with less engineering overhead. Sift is more of a specialist platform focused on digital trust and safety across the entire user journey, not just payments. Its machine learning engine handles transactions, account creation, login behavior, false identity, chargebacks, and more. Sift claims to process over 1 trillion events per year through its network, and has been named a leader in multiple fraud detection categories. For merchants with diverse fraud risks, e-commerce plus subscriptions plus user accounts, or those scaling fast and advancing into global markets, Sift offers rich flexibility, custom workflows, rule simulations, and deeper visibility into identity-level risk. So which one should you choose? If your business runs primarily through Stripe and you want strong, automated protection with minimal effort, Stripe Radar is the smarter and simpler choice. It fits neatly into your checkout flow and handles most fraud without slowing down sales. If your company operates a larger or more complex platform, like a marketplace, subscription service, or app with user accounts, Sift gives you the power and visibility to manage fraud at every level of your customer journey. In short, Stripe Radar gives you speed and simplicity, while Sift delivers depth and control. Both can save your business money and protect your customers, but the best option depends on how your company processes payments and how much oversight you want in your fraud strategy.